Where do I begin? I have a flight less than 24 hours and I haven't done anything yet, guys. I am so behind schedule and I gotta get packing. I have to run errands, pick up outfit from the cleaners. I have so much, so much on my to-do list, and I think I'll be tired by the time I get on the plane tomorrow. But I wanted to bring you guys along to give you some motivation and as well show you some of the items that I purchased that I will be taking on my trip. I'm so ecstatic about this trip. I haven't been anywhere this entire year and it's November 2020. So just to get away, it's gonna do me some good. I need to relax. I need to unwind. This year has been amazing, but at the same time, it has been very emotional for me. And this getaway is gonna do me some good. So guys, let me start rambling and get into this video. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, baby girl. Like and comment down below. Show me some love. All right, let's get into this video because I have no time to waste.
One way, you've been trying to get me to stay, cause I've been around for 3 days, but I gotta go before we let it get too close to Friday, cause I gotta hit the highway. I don't wanna make you cry, babe, but I ain't coming back now, fade into the background. I still wanna be there, I got to be leaving. Will, you should be fair. That's when she said, I just wanna know what's on your mind. Is it real or it's all a waste of time? I don't really wanna blow the high. I wanna know if I can make you stay this time. I just wanna know what's on your mind. Is it real or it's all a waste of time? I don't really wanna blow the high. I wanna know if I can make you stay this time. Me and Vicky Sticks, chillin' and we downtown. Made a couple beats at your bitch with the roundhouse. Yeah, when these people found out now that Willie be the shit, and he on now. Cause he's saying that I'm different, I'm not the same me that I was in Hell's Kitchen. It's been a little while and I've done a lot of living. I make mistakes, but I live with my decisions. I still wanna be there, I got to be leaving. Will, you should be fair.
Okay guys, I just got back in the house, just walked in the house. I am tired, to be honest, but I got a lot more things to do. I got to finish cleaning up and I also have to pack my luggage as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning up. And I also have some boxes to unpackage. Oh, wait a minute. My package did not arrive today. I just remembered that. Unless it's in the mailbox. I'm about to go out and check that right now to see if they deliver it. But no, because it's supposed to came by Amazon. So why is my order not here? Like, they tripping. Yeah. No. Okay, so somebody may have taken my order. I don't know, but I'm about to jump on the computer to see. If not, I gotta do a report. So yeah, and then I'm just about to hop into cleaning up because let me show you guys. The living room is a mess as well. Got papers and stuff everywhere. And the bathroom is a mess, so I'm gonna clean everything up so it can be all tidy and clean when I get back.
Is it real or it's all a waste of time? I don't really wanna blow the high. I wanna know if I can make you stay this time. I just wanna know what's on your mind. Is it real or it's all a waste of time? I don't really wanna blow the high. I wanna know if I can make you stay this time.
All right, guys, I am on the computer right now and it's telling me that delivery attempted today at 1:43 p.m. Unfortunately, USPS ran into an issue attempting your delivery. They will try again. Since when the post office deliver Amazon packages? I'm behind on that. It have been a little minute since I placed the Amazon order, but they bugging. How they run into an issue when I'm always ordering? Like, I haven't ordered in maybe 2 weeks, but they should be used to my spot. Like, what? Oh my god, guys. I had to jump on the computer real quick to see what was going on with my package, and I wanted to make sure that it didn't go to another address. So let me get up, and then I'm gonna contact USPS. Let me see. As well while I'm cleaning up.
I saw you across the room, got you in my head now. You're all I want all the time, and the days don't end, cause I'm losing sleep, yeah, you stole it. I can't keep on checking my phone, no. I'm out with my friends, but I think of you instead. Is it alright if I got to know you better? Is it alright if I told you how I feel? Cause you could be more than a stranger, so tell me what I need to hear. Is it alright if I got to know you better?
I've slipped into something a little bit more comfortable. I've cleaned up the house, and now I'm just packing up everything that I need for this trip. I am so happy again to be going on this trip because it's definitely needed. I have some really cute, nice dinner dresses that I will be, hopefully I get a chance to wear, especially this one. I really like this dress right here, and I'm really looking forward to wearing it. But I'm gonna go ahead and pack. I'm gonna wrap up this video. Make sure that your notifications is on so you can see the next video that I will be posting of this trip. I hope you guys have enjoyed this so far, has given you some cleaning motivation. And also, if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to comment down below. Let's see, comment down below, where would you like to go in 2021 on vacation? And also comment down below some pink flowers. So yeah guys, I hope you have enjoyed this, and I will see you in my next video. Until later on, take care.